Recording at 1624 North 46th Street. That's 1624 North 46th Street. Starting in main, pulling back through 6-inch liner, then PVC repair a section of unlined 6-inch concrete. You'll see the tie-in for 1624 on the right-hand side. And then we are going through a 4-inch liner for the neighbor's house. Up back to existing clean out in driveway. Right here you see a little bit of debris hanging down. That is just the masking tape, very malleable, what that we use to fold the liner upon insertion. Going back through the existing liner now.